to a brand new video. Today I thought we'd go to B&M and Poundland to see what's new in. I was meant to do one of these actually a few weeks ago, but it wasn't like good enough. There wasn't enough Christmassy things in, so I didn't upload it, but I'm so excited to see what's new in today. And speaking of uploads, I'm so sorry if you've seen my Come Shop With Me autumn upload again. YouTube accidentally deleted it when I was editing it, and share is so close to cancel/delete. I accidentally clicked on delete and then pressed cancel, and yet YouTube still deleted it. So I'd absolutely love it if you go and show some love on that video. I re-uploaded it and I just lost everything from the first initial upload, but I'd really appreciate that, and that's why you've seen it again, so I'm so sorry about that. But today I'm excited to see what's new in, go and see all the Christmassy bits. I'm ready to go, just need to go and drive there, park up and see what's new in. If you're excited for this video, then please smash it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, and let's make a move to see what's new in. And another Christmas video is here. I'm so excited. As soon as we walk in, we are greeted by festive treats and decorations. I love the first impression walk in into B&M when they have all their cute decorations and festive treats. Of course, I picked up some along the way. During winter time, I am obsessed with hot chocolate, not gonna lie. I absolutely love hot chocolates when it's colder. And of course, baking. There's some really nice cookie cutouts and baking accessories, as well as my favourite skinny brownies. Oh my god, if you haven't tried these are delicious.
Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas.
In this side aisle, we had some new bits from Febreze. I was having a look at their limited edition air mists. I had a look at this one, which was Sugar Plum Delight, and their spiced apple bathroom air freshener.
Outside snow's glistening.
As always, they do such an array of chocolate selection boxes and just really nice Christmas chocolate gifts for anyone who loves chocolate in the family. I mean, who doesn't? And of course, I picked up some Jingly Bells from Dairy Milk. These are beautiful. I loved looking at the little side chocolate pieces they had as well. And they had some advent calendars. Have you got your advent calendar yet? I haven't.
Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a life with you. Choirs will sing.
There really is just something about looking at the new in cleaning bits in the cleaning aisle around Christmas time. I love having a look at their new scents, looking at all the cleaning bits that I can get in Christmas scents as well. And they had some really nice air fresheners in and candles from Glade. I love smelling these are so beautiful.
And some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door.
In the same aisle, I saw this new liquid detergent, Winter Sparkle, and on the side here I saw some new bits from Dettol. I just love the packaging with the snowflakes and the colour combo. I just wanted this whole collection. I'm getting slightly cleaning obsessed recently. If you're looking for new wrapping paper, I would definitely recommend B&M. They have some more selection boxes in here as well, but the wrapping paper, I just found gold here. They had so many different variations. Also, if you're looking for matching pyjama sets, look no further than B&M. These matching family pyjamas were so cute, and they had the matching slippers to go with them.
The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by.
So as you just saw, B&M have some amazing Christmas decorations for your home, sprucing up the home for Christmas, and they had some really nice new Christmas cutlery and plates, just cute little things in these aisles. And of course, gift set heaven. So many gift sets in B&M recently, which are beautiful family gifts that suit every single person in the family. You can find something in here.
You for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Welcome to B&M Christmas Heaven. I was having the time of my life in these aisles. They had so many variations of colours and Christmas ornaments. I would definitely recommend to pop into B&M and see what they have in. Everything goes so fast. I love this natural theme. It's one of my favourite themes. I did pick up a few little bits here and there. They have the red theme, traditional red, which I also love so much, and just the cutest decorations that you won't find anywhere else.
Just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Isn't B&M just so magical at this time of year? I absolutely love looking at their indoor and outdoor decorations that will light up. How cute! And they had some stocking filler sacks with lettering on them, and some big jute Santa sacks which had so many details on the front. And then down this next aisle we had more edible gift sets like food and drink, and if they love hot chocolate, I'm a lover of hot chocolate myself and I'll be so happy with one of these gifts. And they had a cute little gingerbread house set here as well. So many cute edible gifts down this aisle, and so many cute gifts to give this Christmas.
Come, let us adore him. Come.
And last but not least, we come to Christmas Tree Heaven. They had such a selection of Christmas trees, and it felt so magical ending my trip with seeing this. So I'm back home and straight on into a cozy cable knit cardigan. It's so chilly today, and I was over the moon with everything that I saw in B&M and Poundland today. So after B&M I did actually pick up my mum and we went into Poundland together. My Poundland, I didn't actually film it because it's just not the best to further away Poundlands that we have around here. So it wasn't the best, but I did pick up bits from both. I've got a huge haul coming for you guys soon on my channel. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday if you're excited to see that. And oh my god, today just got me in the Christmassy feels. B&M have amazing bits. I'm excited for their new turnover of stuff as well. They're just, oh my god, it's just Christmassy vibes, do you know what I mean? So if you enjoyed this video, then please smash it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribed. Like I said, I post every Wednesday and Sunday, so I'm so excited for my content to come. I've got so many bits I need to film. I've got the stuff, but I just need to film it, so, and have the time to film it, so that'll be coming very, very soon for you. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye.